Hey everyone, it's Matt Bradshaw live from my kitchen. And actually, you're in my microwave right now. So if it blows up, don't be afraid. But yeah, look, my hair looks pretty tight today. Unless my bangs are messed up like they usually are, but I don't know about that one. Cause I like flipping my hair, bro. Like that. Or like that. I mean, that whole first part of the video, I don't even know if you saw my face. I might have been too close, and my head might have been like up there, like that. So, if you couldn't see me, I'll do everything that I did again. I like flipping my hair. It makes me feel so sexy. Got my cool hat like in every video. Tight. Just flip my hair again. Tight. I got a text message. Hang on. Tight. I'm making a video while I'm trying to cook. You gonna see what I'm gonna cook? I'm gonna cook some Cracker Jacks. You guys like Cracker Jacks? I remember like a long time ago they had really good prizes, but now all they have is like little pieces of paper that have like Abraham Lincoln's face when he was little, and then when he's old, and you like flip it over. I don't know if you can hear what I'm saying because these are really loud. Like they might be blocking out what I'm trying to say. But yeah. See this? This is called a knife. And like, it reminds me of the knife in Halloween. He's like, but that movie's kind of funny though. I don't really know what to do right now. I'm probably boring the crap out of you. Yeah. Hang on a second. I just thought of something cool. Hang on. I'm gonna play some music. Chubby booby. I'm supposed to be getting signed to Warner Brothers Records next fall. That was about to fall. But next fall, yeah, I'm getting signed to Warner Brothers Records. Just be looking for my album. It's gonna be called Chubby Booby Live.